yeah, jumper is thrifted Zara, and I have it layered with like this shirt. These are shorts from my collection last year, and little loafers with socks. Good morning, it is Sunday and I'm just heading out on a walk in this beautiful weather. Got my coffee ready to go. I'll show you my outfit. This is the coat that I thrifted the other day. It's so nice. It's got like a little red check. I don't know if you can see that running through it. Nice and oversized. It's like wool and cashmere. Vintage. It was like €30, I think. Let me put my coffee down. My bag, I think I might have shown you before, my friend made that. She's a tattoo artist and she just added all these drawings to it. This H&M thrifted tulle skirt, so pretty. That monsoon cardigan I think I showed you, I thrifted that maybe a month or two ago. This Karen Millen nice little blouse. It's got like these lovely long sleeves and usual ASOS boots. So welcome back to another video. These are some of the outfits that I was wearing kind of late October, early November. And if you're interested in seeing more of this kind of content, you can also follow me on my Instagram and TikTok, and I'll leave my handle here where you can kind of see more up to date and behind the scenes bits. Yeah, so I have so much work to do today, but I thought I'll get out in the morning, go for a nice walk, listen to a podcast, and then come back in. Just so I feel like I've been out. It's probably going to rain in a while anyway, so I'm going to get out now. Just enjoying my morning stroll along the sea. Oh, so calming. I grew up along the coast, so, well, I think to anyone the sound of the sea is really calming. But it's a lovely start to a day. Coffee, then we're going to go back in and work. Get all this press release stuff done for the fashion week. but it's always nice to break up the day and start my morning nice on a Sunday. Whew. I'm just back now. It is so, well, it's not so cold, but it's getting really cold outside. My hands are freezing, but it was a lovely walk, nice way to start the day. I just thought I'd show you this coat just to see if there's a brand on it, and if anyone wants, if you wanted, you could maybe try and search it. And that's what it's saying there. The other tag says that it's wool and it's a size 50. Yeah, if you wanted to search it, but it's such a beautiful coat. It's got one of those nice things for hanging it up as well. But I think I'd always put on a hanger because you don't want to like ruin the shape, hang it that way. But yeah, the check is so lovely on it. I think I've videoed me in the charity shop trying it on. I tried on like a few different pieces and that one just kind of made sense. Yeah, so I think as far as coats go now for winter, I have some amazing coats that I've gotten over the years, all secondhand. I think I have one coat that I got in ASOS that I really love. But apart from that, everything is kind of like, yeah, secondhand coats. I really only get an opportunity to wear my long coats at the weekend because I'm cycling during the week, and I've ruined, I have ruined coats, long coats, wearing them cycling, so I don't do that anymore. Yeah, so it's really only the weekend that I get a chance. But anyway, I'm gonna go now and start my day. Also, yeah, this is the beautiful monsoon cardigan. I think you would have seen I thrifted that like a while back. The neckline is quite low, so I just have a shirt under. Okay, I'm gonna go and I'll catch you tomorrow. Still really want these. I'm in Tesco getting way too much biscuits for no reason.
Biscuits, really?
No biscuits.
So I get some porridge oats, so it's always good to have.
Yeah.
So like 1.5 kg. Do you want me to hold it, or are you okay?
Porridge oats. Oh, thank you. Oh, it's attached.
Well, do you have the...
Also addicted to this Tesco Balti at the moment for vegetable. What?
Imagine pulling
Nearly
down
dropped it.
all of it and the camera.
Okay. We went a bit overboard. For literally for no reason at all. We just went overboard and got my fave. Two, both vegan. These, I didn't even know these existed. These are also vegan. Dark chocolate, vegan. And bourbons. But yeah, Sunday evening, so gonna watch a film, have some tea, and barn back. This is so good, toasted. This is like a staple in, definitely in Ireland, probably the UK. I don't know if this is anywhere else. It's kind of like fruit. Is brat anywhere else other than Ireland or the UK?
I don't know.
Anyway, it's just a staple with like toast or toasted. This is a staple with nice butter. That is the plan for the evening.
So this is my friend's vintage and lifestyle shop, Finders Keepers. I always go on about it because I get so many good pieces here. So I thought I would film while I was here to kind of give you a look inside. And Finders Keepers sells online as well. So if you're kind of not based in Ireland and you see something like you like, just check them out. I always leave them linked below, and I'll put their Instagram here as well, so you can follow them there and kind of keep up to date with what they have in stock. But yeah, definitely an amazing shop, and you'll always find something great.
Good morning, it is Monday. It's a bank holiday here in Ireland, but I'm heading into the studio just to get on top of things because there's so much to get done and get finished. I have on quite a Halloweeny outfit today. I haven't really had time, I suppose, to focus. I wanted to do like loads of Halloween inspired outfits, but I haven't had time, so I have on this top that I thrifted that is originally Topshop, perfect Halloween colours, and I have like a brown tulle skirt on. I will show you once I get into the studio. I'll go outside and I'll show you. But yeah, I'm just gonna head in now. Yeah, so we'll catch up when I get into the studio. Cool. I am just in now and it looks like it might lash rain, so I'm going to be really fast about getting this outfit photo. So the top is really old Topshop, thrifted tulle skirt, usual ASOS shoes, a beanie hat and some glasses. Yeah, so just on my way around trying to get some fabric to finish one more dress. So that is why I'm in the studio today. But you can watch my studio vlogs separate. Yeah, I actually think it's going to lash rain, so I'm going to go back to my studio, get an umbrella, and then head out. Good morning, it is Wednesday. Is it Wednesday? I think it's Wednesday. I'm heading into the studio now. I'll show you my outfit when I'm in there, but I have on like a shirt. It's kind of like this silk shirt with this collar, and I have that layered with this Zara cardigan that I thrifted, and then all of my jewellery. It's less than 2 weeks away from the fashion week, so there's so much to get finished. I did my makeup today because I have an interview later on with a magazine, so I want to look presentable. I just thought I'd show you perfume that I'm going to wear today before I head in. So today I'm going to wear this one, which is Eccentric, like, what is it? Eccentric Molecule, I think it's called. I got given this because someone I know was given it as a present, and the smell wasn't for them, but it's really nice, like really fresh. I think I looked them up and they're like really expensive, so probably more of like a, if you see it in the shop, spray it. This is E01. Yes, that's what I'm wearing today. We are gonna head into the studio. I'll hopefully get a minute to run out and I'll show you my full outfit when I'm outside. But yeah, it's all go for the fashion week stuff at the moment. I'm just hoping I get everything finished on time. But yeah, we'll catch up in a bit. So I'm just in now, dropped out to show you my outfit. Yeah, jumper is thrifted Zara, and I have it layered with like this shirt and all of my charms. These are shorts from my collection last year. Made with like vintage, probably 90s fabric, I would say. And then little loafers with socks. Today's outfit.